Hello everybody. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve 8-ball poll network. To know how to fix or how to solve 8-ball poll network, you should just go to settings. Then in this page, you will enter to apps, default apps, app settings. After that, in this list, you will enter to 8-ball poll. When you will find this list of app info, you will click force stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to storage. Here in this page, you will click clear cache. And in the end, you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by a like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.